What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SPCE ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will show you some fundamentals that might drive the price of this ticker, and we will continue with the technical analysis and with the probable outcome for this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time promo offer from Webull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So, and let's start with the price chart. As you can see, I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that this is the most riskiest point to enter your position right here, because we had a bearish divergence. Let me show you 15 minutes time frame. And right here we had a bearish divergence. It means lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. And when you see this pattern, it will define that we might have a sell-off. And basically this sell-off happened. And I've told you that we might hit levels from 0.382, then 0.5 and 0.618 and 0.65. And we have touched this level of 0.5 and then bounced back in anticipation of successful flight of Sir Richard Branson. And right after that we have this massive sell-off. And I will show you in a minute why it is so important and why it is very good for this ticker. So let's continue with 1 hour time frame. And let me show you that we didn't hit our next accumulation point of 0.5, and this is the Fibonacci retracement levels from the very bottom to the very top. And as you can see, we have 3 accumulation points, 3 main accumulation points, and from these points we might have a trend reversal. And using these 3 points, we will have the best possible price in order to have a long position with this ticker. But let's continue with some fundamentals of this company. And first of all, let's start with the company profile. Virgin Galactic Holdings, an integrated aerospace company, develops human spaceflight for private individuals and researchers in the United States. It also manufactures air and space vehicles. And I have to say that everybody for now knows what it is all about. And let me show you some financials that might be quite interesting for now. And as you can see, they don't have any revenue, they have 0 revenue, and they definitely have a negative net income of $397.75 million. And it is totally okay, because the main point of this company is to make a commercial space flights. But they just received an FAA approval, and it is less than 1 month ago, I guess. And that's why they don't have any commercial flight so far. They just launched their flight with Sir Richard Branson on the board. And let me show you their total cash position. It is quite massive, of $616.63 million. But I have to say that for now they have more than $1 billion on their balance sheet. And I will show you in a minute this information. So let's continue with this news. It was published on July the 12th, and it's titled Virgin Galactic's Richard Branson. We've just got to build a lot of spaceships. So, very good statement, and we have this statement in the title. Let me quote you these bullets. Calling his recent trip into space the most incredible experience of my lifetime, Richard Branson said over the weekend that his Virgin Galactic company needs to build a lot of spaceships to meet future demand for spaceflight. And I have to say that it is very important, because he knows that this company will be successful only in case if they will have enough spaceships, and only in case that they will have enough commercial launches. So, and let's continue. Speaking to CNBC, Branson noted that Virgin Galactic's initial commercial flights into space will be expensive, but he predicted that the price will come down over time. The famed billionaire entrepreneur added that he hopes we can get thousands and thousands of people to experience spaceflight. On what he plans to do now what he has taken his trip into space, Branson suggested that he would focus on philanthropic efforts. He said that there are a lot of challenges on Earth to overcome and that he has a lot of foundations aimed at tackling those issues. Branson had kind words for Jeff Bezos, his defeated rival in the billionaire space race, who is scheduled to take his own trip through the outer atmosphere on July 20th. The Virgin Galactic founder wished the world's richest man as wonderful a voyage as we had. Branson also noted that Elon Musk has his own ticket reserved on a future Virgin Galactic flight. So, as you can see, because of these two bullets, Richard Branson has a lot of attention from social medias, and it is very important because for now we have more anticipation from this company than this company actually does. And it is totally okay because they are still in their development phase and they are still in their research phase and they are still in the phase of making this type of flights a reality, and that's why they don't have enough fundamentals, they don't have enough financial proofs that this company will be successful. But in my opinion, it is just a matter of time. So let's continue. SPCE initially scored a double-digit pop-in of hours trading following the news of the successful spaceflight. However, this rally deteriorated as Monday's regular trading commenced. Instead, the stock declined in early trading, in part in response to news that the company had filed to sell $500 million worth of stock. So, they are about to add $500 million to their cash position, and it is good for the company for the long term, but definitely for the short term investors it is not a good use. So, in Monday's midday trading, SPCE was down nearly 12% to $43.42. This level was well off its 52-week high of $62.8 reached in January. The price level was also off a multi-month peak above $55 attained late last month. Despite the excitement caused by Branson's successful flight, market watchers remain concerned about SPCE's valuation. Bank of America, for one, said it sees the risk-reward for the stock more skewed to the downside. For more on the bearish case for SPCE, take a look on commentary from SA contributor ASB Capital, who says the share price is about to fall back down to earth. So we have different opinions for this ticker for now, but I think this company will be much more expensive in the future, right after they will launch their commercial flights, and this will be on 2022. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. As you can see, we have this massive decline in price right after the successful launch, and this sell-off was for more than 26%. And it is totally okay because on my previous video I've told you that we might have this massive sell-off, and I've told you that if you add your position right here, you have chances to win about 25.82% to this all-time high, and then we might have a retracement. But right after they filed the stock offering, we have an immediate reaction from the market. And I have to say that it is very good that from the very top, from the all-time high to this current price, we have about 34% of sell-off, and this is very good discount for the company. And let me remind you that we have two major next accumulation points that might be your main points to enter the position with this company right after you do your own due diligence, because due diligence is a must. So, and what to expect next? In my opinion, we might hover for quite some time around the levels of $40. We might hit $38.16 as our next potential accumulation point, because we have this top as our confluence level and we have this level as a resistance, and right here it might be as a support. And from this point, with the good news and with the good anticipation, we might go higher and hit the all-time high for this ticker. But with the negative news or with the lack of news, we will hit next potential accumulation point of 0.618 and 0.65. And this is the most probable level statistically for trend reversal. And you have to be prepared for this price action. So, in my opinion, From the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!